Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about L'Occitane. So L'Occitane have developed and revamped their Immortelle Divine range. So these are the products which now include their two new extracts, which are the Immortelle Super Extract and the Immortelle Super Acris Extract. But before we get into that video guys, and I tell you all about these brand new extracts, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and I do videos on how to be bougie in skincare and how to be bougie in fashion. And I know you want to know all about that, so like, what are you waiting for? Oh, I jumped the gun and you have subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. So guys, with the Immortelle Divine range, L'Occitane have been researching the Immortelle Divine flower for over 20 years, and this flower can be found in Corsica. So initially I was quite intrigued by this flower because it blooms, it blossoms, it thrives, and this is all in hot conditions where there's no water. So that's quite fascinating, and it kind of resembles its name. It is Immortelle, and the benefits that it gives is treating acne scars and preventing wrinkles. So what's changed? How has this collection been revamped? So L'Occitane have now included two new extracts within the Immortelle Divine range. So the first extract is the Immortelle Super Extract, and the second extract is the Immortelle Super Acris Extract. But I know you guys are thinking, okay, what exactly are these extracts and how are they going to give me the bougie skin that I need? And I know you guys come on this channel to find out all about the best skincare that there is available. So the Immortelle Super Extract is a naturally derived extract which is an alternative to retinol, and this aids in boosting the volume of the skin whilst all the while still being gentle to the skin, strengthening the dermis and aiding in the natural production of collagen. And that all sounds great to me because your girl likes to try and stay as natural as possible, and I like my skin to always be looking plumped and strong. So moving on to the second new extract, which is the Immortelle Super Acris Extract. And this extract protects you against blue light overexposure. And I feel like in this day and age, with everything that's been going on recently, so many people have been spending time at home. A lot of people have been glued to their screens. I know I've spent probably the most time in my whole entire life at home. And the thing is, whilst we're at home and we're being safe, we're not thinking about our skincare when we should be thinking about our skincare. And just because we haven't left the house doesn't mean we shouldn't be protecting our skin. So I'm kind of loving that extract. Okay guys, I've given you the tea, I've told you the benefits of these brand new extracts, so let's get on to the application. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to use is the L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Eye Balm. How cute is this? It's so tiny, super cute. And for your eye balm, you don't really need that much, and I just like to place underneath my eye and just massage in. Around this area I like to pat because my skin is a little bit more thinner and more delicate. Oh guys, that felt so creamy on the eye. That was so lush, and I felt like I really needed something like this because last week I skipped out on my eye cream and I felt like my eyes were a lot more puffier. The skin around my eyes was dehydrated, the area was getting irritated. So I definitely feel like an eye cream is essential in your skincare routine. I apply both in the AM and PM, and this eye cream actually has shea butter, and I could actually feel the shea butter melt into my skin. It was quite nourishing. Not only does this eye cream nourish the eye, it aids in defining and contouring the eye, which I love a little bit of contour with the eye, especially if it makes me look more youthful. Like, this is what I expect in an eye cream. This is what I'm looking for. And L'Occitane actually tested this eye cream out on women, and 9 out of 10 women said that the skin around their eye felt firmer, more youthful, and they felt satisfied. And I guess that's all we want, guys. We want to feel satisfied, no? Moving on guys to the Immortelle Divine Essential Oil. I really like the packaging. I think this packaging is so luxurious. But guys, I beg of you, do not make the mistake that I see so many people apply the pipette straight to their face, because sometimes if your face is not completely clean, that's how you're going to spread bacteria from the pipette to the face. So what I like to do is I like to place 1 to 2 drops in the palm of my hand. Obviously I've washed my hands when doing my skincare routine, so my hands are clean, and then I just like to apply that to the face. Ooh, that smells so fresh. I love that. And to be honest, I'm quite surprised because normally an essential oil is a little bit more on the thick side, and this is quite light on the face, so I could definitely include this in both my morning and nighttime routine. I can't get over how light it feels on the face. Oh guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells gorgeous. And I like to use any serums or essential oils before my moisturizing cream, just because I feel like they penetrate the skin surface much deeper, and then I will go in with my moisturizing cream to lock in that moisture. And the feedback that L'Occitane got from this essential oil is that women felt that they had younger skin from the first use, their skin looked more plump, and their skin was glowing. And if you guys are seasoned subscribers, you know I'm all about that glow. Yes guys, because who doesn't want glowing, brighter skin? So I've used it once, so come on, glowing skin. Okay, moving on to my favorite. This is the Immortelle Divine cream. I've actually loved this cream in like forever. I was lucky enough to test it out a few years ago and I have been using it ever since. This cream was launched in 2009 and it quickly became one of L'Occitane's best-selling skincare products. So I just like to take a bit on my finger and then rub in to my tips and just place on my face and rub in. I then like to pat the excess, ensuring that the surface of my face has been covered with this moisturizer. So I was trying to find a word to convey to you guys on how this feels on my skin, and I saw on the packaging that L'Occitane described this as being cashmere soft, and I feel like that's the best description to give you guys on how it feels. Like, it just feels so soft on the skin, and that's probably why this is one of my favorite moisturizing creams. It just feels so soft, guys. But I think this cream speaks for itself. Like, I know I'm bigging it up and I might be biased, but it's highly commended by the Sunday Times. It's won an award from Harper's Bazaar for being the best of the best. So it's got awards to back itself up. And 9 out of 10 women whilst testing this cream said that their skin felt firmer and denser. So I just feel like you guys should purchase this cream and reap the benefits. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. But before I wrap up this video, I'm gonna give you guys one last thing. You know I like to give back to you guys. This range has launched already and it's in stores and online, but I do have a discount code. You know I got you guys. So from the 3rd of September to the 30th of September, you can get 15% off these products by using the code MYSKIN15. You can use this code online and also in stores. So I hope you guys enjoy purchasing these Bouji products with a little bit of 15% discount. But I think that's all, guys. But if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these products from, the discount code and the terms and conditions. But I guess I'll see you in another video, and remember to always stay what, guys? Bougie.